Hello, preschool friends. I'm going to read a book for you today. It's called If You Take a Mouse to School. This is by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you take a mouse to school. First, of course, they're brushing their teeth before they go. If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. That's right. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich. What do you think we should put on your sandwich? Tell your family who's next to you what you would put on your sandwich. I think I would like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with strawberry jelly. Actually, peanut butter and banana sandwich with honey. It's really good. You should try it. See what you would like. Now, also a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He will probably want to share your backpack too. Look at him inside there. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. Maybe you'll do some math today. Maybe you'll count. Maybe you'll draw some numbers. Maybe you can do some cooking and measure. Or maybe you will think of some words to write and draw too. He'll even try a science experiment. Look at all that exploding over. You have baking soda and vinegar and food coloring. You can do something like that too. Oh, now he's gonna need to wash up. So you'll have to take him to the bathroom. There he is. Now once he's nice and clean, he's getting hungry, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he will see some building blocks and he'll build a little mouse house. Maybe you should build a little mouse house today. Get your blocks out. Think of all the different rooms this mouse would like to go in. Oh, and make some furniture out of some clay. And he's eating a sandwich. I like this. You can climb up to get to his bed. How fun is that? Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own. I know a lot of friends who like to write books. So he'll need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all of your pencils. Now when he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. That makes sense. It's fun to read books. Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and he'll tuck it into a safe place. Now, some of you have read this book. This is kind of a clue for later on what happened. So just remember where he put his lunchbox. When the bell rings to go home, he's going to run out to wait for the bus. Look at him running so fast. While he's waiting, he's going to play a quick game of soccer. That's right. And then he'll ask to shoot a few baskets with the basketball. See how they're different shapes? This one has like black and white, and this one has orange with black stripes. Oh, and he's going to do a little skateboarding. How fun is that? When he stops to catch his breath, he's going to want to eat his snack. He worked up an appetite for sure. So he's going to ask you for your lunchbox. Now look how he feels right there. How do you think he feels? He looks worried. Now he's sad. Why is he sad? You think he's looking for the lunchbox? Do you remember where it was? Yeah, it was back at school. Wasn't it? Oh, they're going to go back into school. If he asks you for your lunchbox, remember? Yep, it was in the bottom shelf. Let me see if I can find that page again. I know you guys like looking back on this page, so I want to show it to you. Remember? there it was on the bottom shelf. He found it, he remembered, and said we have to go get it. So, if you have to take him, or you're going to have to find his lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school. Oh, if you take a mouse back to school, I know you all want to go back to school. I do too. Maybe we can find ways to have school at home and have fun at home. Think about the mouse and all the things it likes to do. And maybe you can draw a picture of what would happen if the mouse came to your school. You could also draw a picture about what would happen if a mouse came to your house. I would love to see those. All right, have a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon.